The Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Justin Muturi, is stepping in.
Thutha wa mbunge ya bururi gukirirwo na njira nene kwa gutacukia ikinyo riothe ria guteithiriria Akenya na bururi ihinda-ini riri ria king'uki kia murimu wa coronavirus. Umuthi mbunge no nitabanirie gikaro kia mwanya niguo kumurika mendekithia maria merega kurekererio ni President Kenyatta ari njira ya guteithiriria bururi undu umwe na muingi ihinda-ini riri ria king'uki gia coronavirus.
In the ongoing debate,
mbunge kihuthira gikaro giki nihitukirie kunyihio kwa igoti ria VAT na gicunji kia 2 hari igana kuma gicunji kia 16 hari igana nginya gicunji kia 14 hari igana guku makirutira mukana onjoria gutigirira na magwithia thogora wa indo kuona ni manyihiru igoti.
Whenever there is an increase in taxation, the businessmen and women of this country are very quick at increasing prices. But whenever we have come up with a legislation that is supposed to go into helping to alleviate, reduce the burden on individual Kenyans, the business people are very reluctant. They want to enjoy the very support that you are giving to individual poor Kenyans by making huge profits. This is not the time for business people to make profit. If you make profit out of these measures, I think you are eating blood money.
Mr. Speaker, reduction of VAT without corresponding price controls is never effective. Reduction in VAT in a situation where we leave the pricing of goods to the forces of demand and supply outside there is not effective.
And that's why we are calling upon the police. Because once this is done, we want to see the prices of essential goods going down, Mr. Speaker.
Kamiti ya mwanya iria yobirwo kungania na kuramata kigina gia kung'ethanira na moruru ma coronavirus bururi-ini koretwo kiamukira kigina kuma honge itiganite ari thiku nini thutha wa President Kenyatta kwendekithia kuumbwo kwayo kuria umuthi kindirirwo ni mbunge ya bururi guku riu igithingatwo kwiyumiria na kwambiriria gutungatira Akenya.
Mr. Speaker, this fund must be a fund that is going to benefit the diversities of vulnerable populations in this country, and I really want
Mr. Speaker, the corporates must know that this is the time their country needs most. There is no need of declaring profits of 20 billion, 30 billion, 60 billion, 100 billion, Mr. Speaker. All that money was coming from the sweat of Kenyans, Mr. Speaker, today who are suffering under the coronavirus, Mr. Speaker.
As we support the formation of this fund, we would want to see the chairperson, and I agree with the Honorable Junet, let East African breweries start by announcing their donation, because he is in that committee, in that fund, by virtue of the organization she represents. She should lead by example by announcing a couple of billions as a contribution to this fund, and then the rest of us can follow suit.
Gikaro kia umuthi giukite thutha wa mbunge no gukirirwo na njira nene Akenya ikiro itiganite guku igikuruhanio na gutiganiria Akenya ihinda-ini riri ria moritu ma king'uki gia COVID-19. Mitaratara na mendekithia ma ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ harĩ gwĩthaitĩra kũnyitwo na mũrimũ ũyũ na kũrĩ ũguo nĩ megũthingatĩtwo na njĩra nene hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ. Kũrĩa kuma ũtaganu wa ũrĩa ambunge aya megũikarĩte, ambunge othe megũthing'ĩrĩirio gũtigĩrĩra nĩ mekĩrĩire mbeko cia tũnua na maniũrũ ũndũ ũmwe na gũthambia moko na thabuni wa kũraga germs nĩguo sanitizer. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaũra wa Gunya.